Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing, the HOKA MAFATE SPEED 2. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit the subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any on its reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly, drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way, as well as it's time and opportunity to thank subscribers new and old. Without you guys, I can't do this. Thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the HOKA MAFATE SPEED 2. We got this in a UK size 7.5, the US size 8, and this is European 41 and a third. We got this in a energy yellow and orange colorway right here for you. Really dope colorway. In fact, and these are sneakers for your trail runs. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is all a rubber outsole. You can see it's lugged because it's got that bib rim right there for you. You know, it's always used for trail runners, even hiking boots use bib rim. I think I'm pronouncing that right. I've been saying bib rim for all these years. I haven't been called out on it. Might be Vibram. Again, like I said, I haven't been called out, so until someone tells me otherwise, I'm going to stick with Vibram. Got that mega grip, so with these sneakers being used on the trail runs, they're going to be hopefully used to keep your top stable. Looking at the midsole unit, so this midsole unit is the CMEVA. Essentially it's a foam right here for your comfort. Very chunky as well. So it's around under 3 inches right there. And moving along onto the upper, so this upper is all textile materials. You see we've got some pressed plastics on, you can clearly see it right there. And a lot of it is to decrease or just prevent a lot of vibration you'll be getting, because this is designed for trail running. So you might be getting hit with obviously the muds, the rocks and all that. All the weather is just going to be affecting your sneakers essentially. All that said, very lightweight. You've got the mesh underneath, tongue nicely padded. You've got these flat laces that go there and some reflective hits. You can see right there. On the lateral side and the medial side, realistically the same. You've got the heat press plastic on the medial side, but on the lateral side, you've got the name of the sneaker, the HOKA logo, MAFATE SPEED 2. And then just here at the cage, that's on the heel, CPU cage with the HOKA One and the HOKA logo also. Pull tab just to help you get your feet out of the sneaker. And then you've got a decent textile insole for your comfort. Something I do want to mention is that the shape of the sneaker is like a rocker. So it can just help you propel forwards during your runs. And the way it is, it's a bit wide, so it's going to be helping you keep stable. And with it being a trail running sneaker, it's very lightweight. Weighing in at 310 grams, so what you kind of need during these trail runs. I want to say, I mean, obviously this is not listed as waterproof, so kind of suggest not using it in the rain, but this should be great. I mean, given the Vibram, great use for your outdoor runs, because Vibram hasn't let me down. I use Salomons. It will be great to use these HOKAs, which we'll find out with the fit and with me trying it on. So roll that footage of me trying these on.
When it comes to the fit, guys, these fit perfect. These are UK size 7.5. These are really comfortable. Feel like I'm going to propel myself forward because of the midsole unit, and it's a really nice color as well. I think I'm going to be using these HOKAs on my next hike. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.